Hi, it's Oliver. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be installing the Mopar grab handles, and you can see I've got them laid out right here. I suggest that you lay everything that you're going to install out on the driveway first, because as I did this you can realize that these two are longer than these two, which I didn't realize until I put them down on the driveway. I did the same thing when we installed the exposed roof racks right here. I laid everything down on the driveway and it helped us identify what parts were what. So if you're somebody who's really not mechanically inclined, who is worried about damaging the Jeep, this is the first thing that you should be doing, because it is so simple. You'll be thrilled when I walk you through these things here. It's basically just two screws. I'm going to get the camera person to walk around the other side and we'll show you where the screws are and say, oh yes, the short ones go to the front and the long ones go to the back. Now the other thing that's interesting, depending on how picky you are, if you look at this side, you've got the 7-slot Jeep grill right here. So you want to be careful if you want that facing out or inwards. I picked up the long one first, and just as a reminder, the long ones do go in the back. Okay, so if you want to install them in the back, the bolts are right here. They're factory existing bolts, and what you're going to be doing is removing them, putting the Mopar grab handles on there, and just reusing the same bolt. So again, quite easy. Remove the two bolts, one's here. It's probably a little bit easier if you do it before you install any roof racks, but I think we should be okay. Okay, and then we do the same thing in the back. Again, it's a little bit harder because I've already have my exposed roof racks here. There it is. Actually, it's pretty good. I like it. It's out of the way. So if you step in, you're not going to hit your head on it. It's back and a little bit in the back, but it's going to help any of the smaller people, elderly people who are going to be sitting in the back. Looks good. So you do exactly the same thing on the other side, and let's move forward to the front. Okay, so remember the front is the shorter one, and it's the same type of idea. You're going to come through between the rail and the handlebar, and that's where it goes. So here are the two screws, pretty simple to take off. Again, you come in between, you hold it in place. Okay, it's as simple as that. We'll come around and we'll see what it looks like. So here we are in the front, and there's the grab handle right here. Looks nice. It's nice and rugged. Now I will point out that I had a contributor. They left a comment, Salt Ponds 239, I think it was. If I got it wrong, sorry. They said maybe you don't want to put it on the driver's side because you're going to hit your head getting in and out of the Jeep. I've paid for it. I'm going to try it, and I may or may not be keeping it. I'm not sure. I am short, so maybe I won't be hitting my head. We'll see. So we do exactly the same thing on the passenger side, and that's it. As I mentioned before, if you're a little bit worried, if you're not that mechanically inclined, what a great way to start. You're not going to scratch your Jeep. There's nothing you can do wrong here, and you'll feel pretty good once you're all said and done. And as always, don't forget to subscribe or leave some comments about some other material you'd like to see.